XLI, industrials, right here, short it, okay? If you don't know what that means, then please just hit mute and pretend I didn't say that. But again, short XLI. It's interesting that industrials will signal overbought before the S&P 500, but not surprising. Again, people are going to try to chase performance. Partly why XLI is up is this guy named Nelson Peltz. So again, there's part of the XLI, I believe. Can you triple check this just to make sure? I believe GE is part of the XLI, and they're going to go activists on XLI or on GE. Imagine that. While the cycle's slowing, I said in my piece on Fox on this morning, Nelson Peltz, really smart guy, obviously. He's got lots and lots of monies, but he's been buying the stock since May. And what I would say about that is that he still has to deal with the economic cycle slowing. What he does with GE and all the different moving parts is probably his plan. But the plan is going to be facing the fiddle on the economic headwind of it all, which is global growth and deflation.
GE is 10.7% of that ETF versus 3M is the next closest at 5.1%. So it's a huge.
So if you're looking, another way to that's a great call. I mean, another way to short the newsiness of an activist idea, which, by the way, activism tends to peak in terms of both its popularity and its efficacy, i.e. rate of return, when the cycle peaks. So not surprisingly, as this economic cycle peaked and the stock market bubble popped, or started to pop and drop, Ackman's performance went to the birds, just like it did in 2007, 2008. So again, the economic cycle is a real big headwind for activist ideas. Be careful on those. A lot of people chase them, they follow them, and yes, some of these activists are very good at doing what they do, but they do it less good in bear markets.